We will be solving S16 32 question number 4. So the question says the curve with equation this has two stationary points. So whenever they talk about stationary points, we equate the derivative to 0. Find the exact value of the coordinates of these points. So now we have to find the derivative of the equation given. I'm going to write the equation which is given. Okay, so this is the same thing as the equation given. It's the same thing. I'm going to represent the numerator with u and the denominator with v. So the formula for finding the derivative of this is given in the formula sheet. Here, as you can see, the formula is given. U over v, the formula is given. I'm going to write the formula once again here. So u over v is equals to so the u and the v are given. I'm going to write that here. U is equals to ln square x and v is equals to x. So the derivative of x is really easy. It's 1. dv over dx is equals to 1. Now we are going to find the derivative of u. So the rule for finding the derivative of a ln function is this. This is the rule which we use. The derivative of the function divided by the function. Now the derivative of u would be 2 ln x divided by x. Now we are going to substitute the u, v and their derivatives into this equation right here, which is given in the formula sheet. So dy over dx is equals to v is x and we have 2 ln x divided by x minus u, which is ln square x multiplied into 1. This whole thing is divided by v square. V is x, so it will be x square. Now this x and x can be cancelled, so we are left with 2 ln x minus ln square x divided by x square. Here we know that we can see that ln x is common, so we can take it as common. So it will be ln x and 2 minus ln x divided by x square. So this is our derivative. Now we are going to equate our derivative to 0. So it will be ln x 2 minus ln x divided by x square is equals to 0. Now to find the x values, we are going to equate the ln x to 0 and the 2 minus, it's not writing, 2 minus ln x to 0. So we know that ln x to 0, we are going to use the log rule. So it will be e0 is equals to x. Here it will be 2 is equals to, we are going to bring the ln x to other side, it will become plus. So e2 is equals to x. You need to know the log rules here. So we know that e0 is equals to 1. You can put it in the calculator and see. So x will be 1. Here, as they have asked us to find the exact values, here you can see in the question, find the exact values of the coordinates. So that's why we're not going to simplify. So we're going to take the x value as e to the power square, e to the power 2, or e square. Now to find the y values, we are going to substitute these x values into the curve equation which is given in the question. So we are going to substitute in this equation ln x, and this thing is the same as this. It is the same. So now when x is equals to 1, we're going to substitute y is equals to ln 1 whole square divided by 1. So when you put ln1 in calculator, you'll get 0. So this whole thing will be 0. Y is equals to 0. So the coordinates would be 1 and 0. Now we need to find the coordinates when x is equals to e square. So when x is equals to e square, y is equals to ln e square whole square divided by e square. So it becomes 4 over e square. You can use the calculator to find out the answers. So we can write the same thing as 4e minus 2. So it will become e square and 4e to the power minus 2. So these are the coordinates of the stationary points.